students, welcome to Vocab. Today we will be learning a few vocabulary words with help of root word method. Let's start. The first root word for today is crazy, which means rule, or we can write administration. Administration. तो क्रेजी वर्ड जहां जहां पे यूज होता है इसका मीनिंग होता है इधर रूलिंग और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. थियोक्रेसी. थियोक्रेसी. First of all, these five words that we are going to learn today with respect to crazy might feel like a lot to you for now, but इनके इंडिविजुअल जब हम मीनिंग्स पढ़ेंगे और इनके जब हम फर्स्ट पार्ट सेकेंड पार्ट ऐसे जब हम मीनिंग्स पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये जो वर्ड्स हैं ये आपके बाकी एग्जाम के और भी किसी वर्ड में आराम से यूज हो सकते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. थियोक्रेसी. तो थियोक्रेसी, अगर हम इस वर्ड को टू पार्ट्स में, इफ वी डिवाइड दिस वर्ड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, थियो का मीनिंग होता है रिलीजियन एंड क्रेसी का मतलब होता है रूल या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. सो थियोक्रेसी. So a country, sect, or a group of people, or any group which is ruled by religion. So any country or sect which is ruled by religion, that is known as theocracy. अब जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया थियो से और भी वर्ड्स होते हैं. जैसे थियो का मीनिंग होता है रिलीजन. देयर इज अ होमवर्क फॉर यू. इफ देयर इज अ वर्ड कॉल्ड थियोलॉजी तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा ये आप ढूंढ के ला सकते हैं. मे बी यू विल फाइंड समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट इज मेरिटोक्रेसी. मेरिटोक्रेसी अगेन मैरिट एंड क्रेसी. क्रेसी का मीनिंग हमको ऑलरेडी पता है, रूल या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. मेरिट का मीनिंग होता है जो पोजीशन वाइज सबसे इंटेलिजेंट हो, जो बहुत अच्छा हो, उसको बोलते हैं मेरिट. सो मेरिटोक्रेसी इज अ गवर्नमेंट और अ सेक्ट और ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल which is ruled on the basis of merit. इसका सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल होता है स्कूल में when class representatives or CR are found by teachers or CR is formed by a teacher or the student selected for being a CR. Most of the time this student is a meritorious student, is a student who stands first in the class. That so this type of rule where a student who is standing first and has merits, he will be ruling the government, the sect. Or acha, also this merit is not just limited to studies. Merit, this has multiple meanings and it can be anything. Like let's say there is a group of sports player and now there is an athlete association and Abhinav Bindra is ruling them or is the person who looks in the administration. Then that would be known as meritocracy because he has achieved this merit of having the Olympics in the single player games. In the Olympics, he has won the gold medal. So that way, meritocracy का meaning होता है when there is rule or government which is ruled by a person who is merit, who has merits. Oligocracy, oligarchy, I have actually written these words together here because it simply means government or sect which is ruled by a small group of people. Small group of people. So if there is a small group of people, oligo, ये दोनों ही word का meaning होता है small group. Small group of people. Ruling by small group of people is known as oligocracy or oligarchy. Next is gerontocracy. Gerontocracy is old. So when a government or a sect is ruled by old people, that would be known as gerontocracy. तो gerontocracy का मीनिंग होता है कोई गवर्नमेंट या सेक्ट जिसको कोई ओल्ड एजेड लोग कर रहे हो, तो दैट वुड बी नोन एज gerontocracy. Government or administration or sect which is ruled by people who are of a certain age group which are considered old, that would be known as gerontocracy. यहाँ पे भी जो जेरिन वर्ड है अगेन इसका मीनिंग ओल्ड होता है. तो इससे रिलेटेड आप मल्टीपल वर्ड्स फ्यूचर में पढ़ेंगे जो आपको एग्जाम्स में बहुत काम आएंगे. So up till now we have learned these 4-5 words here. Theocracy, which means government ruled by religion. Theo का meaning होता है religion. Meritocracy is government ruled by somebody who is in merit. Oligarchy is government run by a small group of people. And Gerontocracy is government run by old people. तो जीरियन का मीनिंग यहाँ पे होता है old. Our next root word is ab or abs. इसका मीनिंग होता है away from or away or from apart. So basically, if you want to have six pack abs, if you want to have abs, if you want to wear that jeans and have that abs, तो उसके लिए you need to stay away from a lot of things. So for having a six pack abs, you need to stay away from junk food. You need to stay away from laziness, of course. So basically, staying away from junk food for having abs is the idea here behind the root word abs. Now, abstain, abscond, all these words they have been actually used in your multiple examinations for years now. So, abstain का meaning होता है it simply means to restrain yourself from pleasure giving activities like eating junk food. So abstain को आप जो वो साधु महाराज वगैरह जो होते हैं जो वर्ल्डली प्लेजर से अलग हो जाते हैं that is again abstain, but it is more related to the idea that you are restraining yourself from eating junk food or having enjoyment, pleasure, not pleasure precisely, but I would say enjoyment. Next, absolve. Absolve is when you are going guilt free, when the government declares somebody guilt free. Ab का meaning हमें यहाँ पे पता ही है. Ab का meaning होता है away, apart, from apart. Solve का meaning होता है किसी भी चीज को समझ लेना, किसी भी चीज को solve कर लेना, सुलझा देना. तो basically किसी भी चीज को सुलझा देना दूर रह के, सो यू आर गोइंग गिल्ट फ्री. जब गवर्नमेंट ये डिक्लेयर कर देती है कि यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल और एनीबडी इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर समथिंग दे माइट हैव डन बिकॉज ऑफ विच दे माइट हैव got into trouble, that would be absolving. So absolving prisoners, absolving murderers, that means making them guilt free, or making them making sure that they are crime free can also be a term here. Abscond, abjure are two words. Let's start with abjure first and then we will slowly go to abscond. Abjure ka meaning hota hai to solemnly leave things. This word is actually, when I said that this one is not that much related to sadhu, this one is actually more related to sadhu it because it means to solemnly abstain yourself from worldly pleasures, to solemnly abstain yourself, to restrain from, to solemnly abstain from worldly pleasures. हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग होता है त्याग देना. आई एम राइटिंग डाउन त्याग हियर फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. abscond again it means to go away. absconding का मीनिंग होता है to go away. Especially absconding का जो meaning है to go away, to go apart from, majorly it is used for negative things. By negative things, I mean if there is a criminal out there who wants to go away from the government, then he will be absconding. So up till now, we have learned four words. The first one is abstain. It means to refrain, to restrain yourself from enjoyment. Absolve is ab and solve. Ab का meaning होता है to be apart, which means to be guilt free. Abscond is the third word which we have learned. जिसका meaning होता है to go away. Abjure is the fourth word जिसका meaning होता है त्याग देना. Okay, so the next five words that we are going to learn today, students, are abdicate, abnegate, abhor, aberrant, and abysmal. So let's start with the first word first. Abdicate. When you are abdicating from something, you are failing at responsibility. You are failing to take up the responsibility of that action. That means you are abdicating it. To abnegate, when you abnegate, you are rejected. So let's say if you are a student of supergrads, you won't be abnegated from the top few colleges in India. Abhor, it means hate. The ideal example for this would be that Aryan Khan is abhorring the media, or actually, the media is abhorring Aryan Khan a lot. A synonym to this word is loath. Aberrant and abysmal are the two words that we are left with. Abysmal means extremely bad. Anything which is extremely bad is called abysmal. And aberrant, it means to divulge from your stance, divulge from the stance that you took earlier. So basically, if there is a circumstance and you took a stand, then if you're diverging from it, that would be known as aberrant. I hope students you have understood all the 10 to 15 words that we learned today in Vocab Shocab, and we will meet again next week with another set of few words. Thank you and have a nice day.